Another reason individuals seek out lawyers as they do their estate plan and create trust is that oftentimes there's a surviving parent that's older, maybe a little more feeble, very emotionally distraught with the loss of a loved one, and they're left to deal with children. They're left to deal with children's spouses. They're left to deal with grandchildren. And in today's society, it's a lot easier to ask for money than to earn it, prepare for something. A lot of people want the fast way, the quick fix. So if you think you have a surviving parent that might be susceptible to undue influence by surviving children and their spouses, help them out. Find an attorney that could be a trustee for your trust. Find an attorney that could be a co-trustee that will help take the heat off the parent that's surviving and dealing with these children. It's not easy to say no to children because they can be pretty convincing, especially when you feel guilty that the other parent's not there to give you advice or counsel. One of the things I hear a lot, well, if my mom was here, she'd want me to do this. If my dad was here, he'd want me to do this. Well, that's not always true. I always have, one of the practices I've started is I have parents who want me involved in their trust to give me videos, ask them a series of questions, how they want this money to be cared for, how they want the trustee to sprinkle money on their children and grandchildren. What are things they don't want to see happen? What are things that they absolutely do not want to fund? And by doing that, it gives the trustee an idea, but more importantly, the trustee can show those videos to these heirs. And the heirs realize that this is what their father or mother wanted. It's really a difficult world to navigate. There's never been so many different things that surviving spouses have to deal with.